Given the ellipse, here's the equation of an ellipse. Find the center point and list the vertices. Okay, so how do we find the center point? Remember, it's opposite of whatever's next to x and then opposite of whatever's next to y. So plus 2 plus 6 is the center point. And then they want us to list the vertices. Okay, so I think it's best, let's come on down and graph this thing. So, actually before we begin, we should change this to be 4 squared and this to be 3 squared. As you know, we always use those that way. Okay, so let's graph this thing. So I'm going to need to have a little bit of room. I'm going to put an axis system, and I need to go here. Let's do it right here. Whoops. I should have done that with my line straightener. Okay. No, let me take that back out. Let me put it about right here, as I think we're going to need to go up. Okay, so there we go. Now let's, what's the center? 2, 6. So let's find that location first off. Over 2, up 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 right there. So that's up 6. This is over 1, 2, this is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over 2, up 6. So there's the center. And then from that center, now they didn't tell us to graph it, but it really will help us. So that's why I'm graphing. From that center, I go right and left 4. Remember, whatever's underneath x is always right, left. So right and left 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So those 2 points, and then whatever's underneath y, 3 squared. So I'm going to go up and down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's our egg shape. Now we just draw it. Okay. Now what do they want from us? They want the vertices. Now you might think, well, it's got 4 vertices. Technically, though, the vertices are on what we call the major axis. Major is the longest or biggest axis. So is this ellipse, is it wider or taller? It's wider, isn't it? It's wider. So these are the 2 vertices. So it's the longer direction. So what's the coordinates of that point? Well, that looks like it's over what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 6, up 6. And what's the coordinates of this other point? Back 1, back 2, up 6. Back 2, up 6. So there's the coordinates. So that's exactly what they want me to list here. Back 2, up 6. Over 6, up 6. We found the vertices by drawing the graph of the parabola, starting with the center, which was at 2, 6, right here, and then going right and left 4, up and down 3 from that center. There we go.